Is acorn worth it? Hook. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorn, a streaming service that offers a wide variety of movies, TV shows, and documentaries. I've been using Acorn for a while now, and I'm really impressed with it. I think it's a great value for the price, and it's a great way to watch some of your favorite shows and movies. Context. Before I get into the details of Acorn, I want to talk a little bit about why I think streaming services are so popular these days. With so many different streaming services available, it can be hard to choose which one is right for you. But I think streaming services are a great way to watch your favorite shows and movies on your own schedule. You can also watch them on any device you want, so you can always have them with you. Main content. Now, let's talk about Acorn. Acorn is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of movies, TV shows, and documentaries. It's a great place to find classic British dramas, as well as more recent shows and movies from the UK, Ireland, and Australia. One of the things I like most about Acorn is the quality of the content. The shows and movies are all high quality, and they're often exclusive to Acorn. You won't find them on other streaming services. Another thing I like about Acorn is the price. Acorn is one of the most affordable streaming services available. You can get a subscription for as little as $5 per month. Acorn also offers a variety of features that make it a great choice for streaming fans. You can create a watch list of your favorite shows and movies, and you can also download shows and movies to watch offline. So, is Acorn worth it? I think it definitely is. It's a great way to watch some of your favorite shows and movies, and it's a great value for the price. If you're looking for a streaming service that offers a wide variety of high-quality content, I highly recommend Acorn. Conclusion. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. End. I hope you find this helpful.